Okay, let's come over and have a look at the European indices this morning. So UK FTSE has come right up here into the top of this resistance region initially. Didn't quite get to this 1.0 extension. That's for the length of this move projected off this low. We need to take out 76.15, 76.20 and ultimately 76.65. If we can do that, then the bottom is in the FTSE. Otherwise, it can still swing down another time to this 70. I'm trying to remember where I put it. Daily chart, probably. Yeah, I need to find the fib, but it can still swing down to the 50% retrace fib of this move up. I don't expect to see that. I think this diagonal count is more likely correct. And in the diagonal count, we hit the 764 last week. So 74.65, I'm looking forward to hold in the FTSE and propel us higher. Next target region up here, 8056 to 8200 for the C of the three. And then a deeper pullback and a 40. I don't like personally trading the FTSE. It's just difficult in terms of trying to track the patterns in it. Much prefer the DAX, and I'm long the DAX still, as you know. So we've got an A, B, C forming off last week's high, but it's starting to look impulsive now. So this can be the 1, 2, and off we go in what will be the A wave up next. You need to take this out, 12,428. And below there, we can still come down and make another low in the German DAX as per the 4-hour chart, which I posted this morning, into this support region here. I do not expect to see this below 11,884, and I really don't expect to see it below 12,028 to 59. But I suspect the lows in the DAX, at least I'm certainly hoping so. So that's what I'm looking at there.